Hello, me Madan. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to refill toner on
PANTUM printer.
it means the cartage, how to refill the toner inside this cartage. I will show you the full. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end. Let's go to the cartage. First of all,
PANTUM printer.
TL412K. Insert the toner inside this cartridge. Just look side. You can see here the screw here and this side also screw here. Just you have to guess it here. There is two screw and there is a open part. You can see here gap here also. You have to open this side. Open this screw. First screw. Second screw. Just you have to like this, pull like this. There is a lock. You have to carefully, if you break down this lock, careful this lock. Cover. You can insert the dust. This one dust inside this cartridge. You can see the dust. It will written here
PANTUM printer.
which model and which printer. Now let's do like this. The drumming it will be automatically throw out the wastage. You need to just insert the toner inside this cartridge. Neat. Simple and just do like this. You can see here the dust is going inside this cartridge. Now finish. Now lock the cap or close the cap and then just to manage this one here carefully. If it will be come out, then it's difficult to fix it here, and then just cover like this. Easy. This cover and this cover. And here carefully. Now the lock is became here and another one lock became here. Easy. This cover and then tight the screw. This one and then this one. It's ready to put the cartridge inside the now. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.